We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning rotisserie restored frame off 1968 Chevelle 138 real deal Super Sport, numbers matching, 396, 325 horse, four-wheel disc brakes, drilled and slotted, numbers matching, factory air, bucket seat, center console, 12 bolt. Just a super nice example. Underneath is just as nice as the top. Just a well done restoration. Air blows cold. Just a super cool car. Please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel. Please do that now. Help us grow our family business. Check out our website at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find anywhere from 25 to 40 cars, trucks, SUVs at almost any given time. We go through these vehicles, fix the brakes, the lights, the wipers, the motors, anything that needs to be done, it's fixed. There's just a little smudge. We haven't run this one through the shop yet. As far as the detail shop, there was a couple small chips right there that have been touched up. But super nice car, really nice paint. All the chrome, the trim, the bright work, the dash. Drip rails, fantastic roof. Again, drilled and slotted, four-wheel disc brakes. It's got the 17-inch Magnum 500s. Really nice, tight trunk compartment, fully carpeted. We did find a couple small chips, tiny scratches. We will address them. I forgot, they're so tiny, but we will address them. That's just a piece of fuzz. Again, the package tray is fantastic. Again, you'll find these pictures, about 100 detailed, www.westportautocenter.com. We're located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. If you want to fly in and check it out, we'd be more than happy to pick you up, take you to one of our 3 warehouses full of cars, trucks, and SUVs. Just forward us your flight itinerary. Put this up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit, take it for a drive. If it was a tiny, like I said, I'm being picky, tiny chip there, we will address that. That'll be touched up. But if you look at all the chrome, the trim, the bright work on this car, is just super nice. I mean, it did a really good job on this car. There was a teeny chip there, teeny chip there. It's been touched up, but wow. Super nice car. Got a really good fit and finish. Get all the chrome. Your corner windows, which you find on a lot of cars. They're expensive, time consuming to replace. A lot of people just skip that. This is a real restoration where it's cosmetics, electrical, and mechanical. Car runs fantastic. 4-speed automatic in here, but it is a numbers matching engine. Previous owner put the 4-speed automatic in for more drivability, like a lot of people do, but it does retain the numbers matching engine. Bucket seat, center console. Again, we're located in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. This is Westport Auto Center. 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Check out our website. Be happy to answer any questions that you have. It's got the full gauges, factory tack, upgraded sound system with speakers in the kick panels. Also have upgraded speakers in the package tray. But just a really nice car. By myself today, so pardon shakiness of the video, opening the hood by myself, but nice car, real deal. 138, you know, that was 65, 66, 67, and 68. The VIN would tell you from the factory if it was a SS, and then 69 for whatever reason they got away from that. So there are a lot of clones out there, but this is a factory 138 car. Let's see. AC works. Radio, but just a great car. Healthy motor. Strong running motor. Take this bad boy for a spin. Again, we're located in Fenton, Missouri, which is suburbs of St. Louis. For some reason you can't make it here, we're more than happy to welcome third-party inspections. Make sure it's a good fit for you. So again, we have a lift. We can put it up on a lift, take it for a test drive, make sure it's a good fit. You do not need all the money to buy these cars. There's fantastic financing available, great rates, good terms. You know, financing is credit, depending on the credit. So if you've got good credit, you can drive usually with about 10% down. So again, you do not need all the money down to buy these cars. Are very affordable, great terms. Yeah, the blinker, other side blinker. I did notice the horn wasn't working, so we will address that. We will address the horn. Good, strong running car. These roads are pretty crappy, need to be redone, so it is a little bumpy. It's not the car, it's the roads. But again, www.westportautocenter.com, www.westportautocenter.com. Here's where you'll find about 100 pictures. So this thing's got good acceleration as well. 12-bolt power 4-wheel disc brakes, drilled and slotted, bucket seat, center console, numbers matching, 396, 3 1/4 horse, factory air, upgraded 4-speed automatic transmission. Just a nice frame off rotisserie restored Chevelle. Call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Mark, Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri.